It's completely transformed my life and the path that I'm on.
I get to test blood thinners and other medications here in the lab.
I study the brain circuitry involved in motor movements.
I'm studying the potential to use CRISPR systems to temporarily silence genes.
We're trying to figure out how to send messages with lasers.
I get to study how restored oyster reefs are growing and changing, and also how they impact our coastlines.
We mostly study carbon fluxes in mangroves. I get to do a really cool combination of fieldwork and lab work.
These materials have a lot of versatility with them. Once you make it, how far we can take it.
Scientists are innately curious people who get excited about solving a problem.
We want to ultimately be able to use acoustic tweezing in clinical settings.
I didn't even know restored oyster reefs were a thing, and now I know so much about them and I'm so into it.
By comparing these things, it can inform restoration projects.
I feel very prepared for whatever I choose to do next.
Finding solutions, it makes science exciting.